Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the IELTS vocabulary series by Tracks. In my previous videos, I have taught you 3 words in each one of them. In this video again, I am going to teach you 3 new words for enhancing or improving your vocabulary. The first word for today is chilblains. Chilblains. It is the swelling caused by exposure to cold. You can construct a sentence like this one. The chilblains on Umar's hands made it difficult for him to hold a fork. The second word for today is Sitzmark. Sitzmark or Sitzmark. It means the depression in the snow formed by a skier falling backwards. You can construct a sentence like this. Faisal laughed at the Sitzmark left behind his tumble. The third word for today is neve. Neve. It is the granular snow at the top of a glacier. You can make a sentence like this one. The climbers trudged across the neve in the east end of the glacier. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more IELTS vocabulary. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media, and join Tracks.